Hi you guys, it's John from Lakeshore RV Center. I've been getting calls from a lot of you asking about what would be the perfect couples coach in a half-ton towable fifth wheel. This fifth wheel only weighs 7,500 pounds. It's called the Arctic Wolf 23 MLE. Great half-ton towable fifth wheel, one of the lightest in the industry, weighs in again only 7,500 pounds. Absolutely incredible. 29 foot 4 inches long. This camper is only selling for $40,975. Go to our website, take a look, tell me what you think. Our website is www.lakeshore-rv.com, or if you got questions, give me a call at 231-788-2040. Come down to Lakeshore RV Center. Let me show you what we have to offer. This is a perfect couples fifth wheel. This is a 2024 23 MLE. Weighs in at only 7,500 pounds, 29 foot 4 inches long. This is a great half-ton towable camper. What I love about this camper is it's perfect for a couple. Look at all the incredible storage behind it. Look at all the amazing countertop space. And seating, we've got seating for 4 people comfortably in this living room. All sorts of great wardrobe storage. This is a perfect couples coach. Come take a look at it on our website. You can see us at www.lakeshore-rv.com. If you need us to arrange financing, we can arrange financing for you as well. If you need it shipped to your door, we can do that for you as well also. Again, give me a call. My name is John Subchuk. You can reach me at 231-740-6225. Thank you and have a great day.